basement crawl space is GFCI-AFCI. Now I got the idea to just use string lights. They are up to 24 feet and can be extended nearly arbitrarily long. I could just add a simple switched receptacle and run the string light across the entire perimeter, just hanging with nails. Sounds efficient, easy, cheap. Are there any possible issues to consider? I'm not sure about using an LED string or incandescent string. I would be leaning towards the LED version because it's more efficient and I believe more robust, hoping I do not have to venture into the crawl space often to replace bulbs. Are there any arguments against LED strings? Question from user DivB at Stack Exchange. Answer: TL. DRLED. Other than nostalgia, which sometimes has something going for it, but not for functional lighting in a crawl space, there are really only 4 reasons for incandescent lighting instead of LED lighting. The original easy bake oven, and some similar things that used a light bulb as a heating element. Technical issues, typically where a single incandescent bulb fixture will prevent LEDs from blinking or have other problems. Where you actually want the heat to help keep an area warm and/or dry, which is not terribly efficient but sometimes can make sense. Inside ovens, LEDs don't like that much heat. The example string lights you linked don't list lumens. But Googling replacement bulbs, I found pretty much what I expected. Incandescent 11 W per bulb, 40 lumens per bulb. LED 1 W per bulb, 50 lumens per bulb. In other words, the LED lights will provide about the same amount of light, maybe more, as the incandescent lights while using 1/10 or less of the electricity. YMMV, depending on quality of bulb. Plus, the LED bulbs will generally last much longer than equivalent incandescent bulbs, which is bonus considering the hassle of replacing bulbs in a crawl space. Answer from user Manasicats moving to Kodact at Stack Exchange.